How to book hotel room online in Agoda. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can book a hotel room online in Agoda. The first thing you want to do is launch open any web browser, then head over to agoda.com, or you can open up the Agoda app as well. Now here you have the option of where would you like to go, tap that. Now go ahead and select the city, property, landmark or destination from here. Next you want to select the check-in date. Once you select that, you want to select the checkout date. After that is done, tap over here and you want to select how many rooms you want, how many people will be there, and the number of children. Now tap on OK, then tap on search. Now you're going to find all the available options over here. You can tap on the filter icon to narrow down by price, star rating, amenities, and guest reviews. Now go ahead and click on the hotel listing to open up its details. Now from here scroll to see room types, photos, cancellation policies. Then pick the room that best fits your needs and then you can click on the reserve option. Now you will have to enter the details. Enter your first name, last name, email address, select your country, then enter your phone number. If you have any special requests, select that, then tap on next. Here you will have to enter the payment method. Select credit card, PayPal or Agoda Pay. Input your payment information securely and click on confirm booking. You'll receive an email with your booking confirmation and e-voucher. Save or screenshot this email for easy check-in at the hotel. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.